friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am John Wensley. Today I am going to discuss previous year asked NEET exam questions based on the 3 videos I already uploaded. Prepare the lessons daily, then only solve the problems easily. This not only for NEET, other competitive exams also. If you work hard, then only you become a doctor in future. Remember it. Okay. Shall I start? Yes. So today's class is fully based on NEET questions. The number of atoms contained in a FCC unit cell of monoatomic substance. Option 1, 2, 4, 6. So simple cubic 1, body centered BCC 2, face centered 4. So here it is face centered, so the option C is the correct. For orthorhombic system, axial ratios are ABC. Axial ratios are ABC. Or axial ratios are A not equal to B not equal to C. Then angles. Option A, alpha is equal, beta is equal, gamma not equal to 0. Option B, alpha is equal to, beta is equal to, gamma equal to 90. C, alpha is equal to, gamma is equal to 90, beta not equal to 90. D, alpha not equal to, beta not equal to, gamma. So here the trick. What is the trick? H, CT, OT, HMT. CT, OT, HMT. That is here orthorhombic O. So in the row O, all the first, second, third, all the band angles are same. So here the answer is option B. Alpha is equal to, beta is equal to, gamma is equal to 90 degree. Then question number 3. A and B crystallizes in a cubic system. A atom at the corner, B atom at the face center, then its simplest formula. So A and B crystallizes cubic system. A atom at the corner. I already discussed how many corners in the unit cell? 8. So 8 into contribution is 1 by 8. B atom in the face. How many face? 6. Contribution 1 by 2. Contribution per unit cell. So 8 cancel, 1, 2, 6 cancel, 3. So the answer is A, B, 3. It is option C. Then fourth question. A and B crystallizes in a cubic system. A atom at the corner, from its one is missing. B atom in the face center, then its formula. So atom A in the corner, from its one is missing. So totally corner atom 8, here 7. There is no change in the contribution, 1 by 8. B atom in the face, 6 face, contribution 1 by 2. So A7, B, A7 by 8, B 3. To get the whole number, A7 multiplied by 8, B 24. So the option is A7, B 24. That is C. Then fifth question, lithium metal crystallizes in a cubic body centered, that is BCC. The length of the sides of the unit cell, length 351 picometer length. So A is given. A is equal to 351 picometer. Then radius is to find out the radius. So here it is BCC. Both are related by the formula 4r is equal to root 3 a. So here r to be founded. R is equal to root 3 a by 4. It is root 3 1.73 into edge length 351 by 4. So for calculation, instead of 1.73, 1.7 is taken. Not all the digit after digit numbers are taken. It is very difficult to do the problem. So simply 1.7, 351 into 1.7, 7, 35, 3, 24, 1, 5, 3, 7, 6, 9, 5, 596.9, that is 597 divided by 4, 1, 4, 1 remainder, 19, 4, 16, 3, 37, 9, 141. So to take the nearest number 141, around the number 152. So for doing the problem, it is simply you will practice like this. Then it is very easy to calculate the correct answer. So instead of 1.73, here 1.7 is taken. Then the multiplication is very easy and quick. 351 into 1.7, that is 596.7, that is 597, then divided by 4. So 5, here it is 149, around the number 152. 152. Then sixth question, copper crystallizes in a face-centered cubic unit cell of length. Copper crystallizes face-centered cubic length, edge length of the crystal A is given. A is equal to 361 picometer. What is the radius? So here radius, edge length. So the crystal is FCC. So 4r is equal to root 2a. 4r is equal to root 2a. So r is found out. R is equal to root 2a by 4. Then r is equal to root 2. 1.414 into 361 divided by 4. So instead of 4 and 4, 1.4 or 1.4 is taken. So 1.4 into 361. 361 into 1.4. 4, 24, 2, then 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, 0, 4, 5. 505 point, that is 505.4, that is 505. 505 divided by 4. So 1, 4, remainder 1, 0, 2, 8, 2, 5, 8. So the option is A is the correct answer. 28 picometer. So copper crystallizes in a face-centered cubic, FCC, face-centered cubic edge length and radius are related by the formula 4r is equal to root 2a. So r is equal to root 2a by 4. Substitute for the calculation. So instead of 1.414, 1.4 is taken. So multiply and divide. Solve the problem. Then 7th question, a given metal crystallizes out with cubic structure. Have edge length, cubic structure. In this cubic, 3 types are there. Here commonly 3 types. Simple cubic, body centered is not given. Simply it is given cubic structure. Have edge length 361 picometer. Edge length 361 picometer. Edge length, that is A, 361 picometer. If there are 4 metal atom in one unit cell, so instead of giving the type of crystal, 4 metal atom in one unit cell. So 4 metal atom in one unit cell is FCC. So this problem and 6th, 7th and 6th are same, but in the main difference is here 6th question directly FCC, the given crystal is FCC is given, but here instead of giving FCC, the atom per unit cell is given. So both are same. The word should be somewhat difficult. So the same question. So the answer is also 128.